Hinduism Q&A. Today's question is, what is true happiness? We all want happiness, and given the chance, we would all want to experience perfect happiness or true happiness. What exactly is that is defined in the Vedas. Yo vai bhuma tat sukham. This is a statement of Chandogya Upanishad. It tells us that true happiness meets three criteria. It must be of unlimited amount, it must last forever, and it must be ever increasing. So this is the definition of true happiness. Unlimited amount means not a little bit or a lot, but actually an infinite amount of happiness. Lasting forever means never to be disturbed by even a tiny bit of suffering. Once you get that happiness, it lasts forever, never to be taken away from you. And ever increasing means it never becomes boring. The more you enjoy it, the more excited you are to go on enjoying it, which is the opposite of what happens in this world. In fact, none of these three criteria apply to worldly happiness. Worldly happiness is always of a limited amount. It's always temporary. And the more you go on enjoying the same thing, the more used to it you get, and eventually you become bored of it. So this type of divine happiness is not a feature of this world. It cannot be found in any worldly thing or in any person. This happiness is only in God. God Himself is the very form of this happiness, and only by attaining God can a soul experience this true happiness. Jai Shri Radhe.